Happy morning, children. Yesterday we have discussed about the few concepts related to the arithmetic progression. Today we are continuing the same but slightly different concept. Let us recall how to form an AP. With that we will continue. For example, let me start now. We will start with 5. After 5, I am going to add 3 to that. So that we will get 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. Like this, we can go on writing an examples for AP. Now we will take the same information in the reverse sense to get the negative common difference. Because in this we have the common difference is plus, that is positive 3. 5 plus 3 is there. The same we take in the reverse. That is, let me say we start with 20, comma 17, comma 14, comma 11, comma 8, comma 5. See children, here the difference between this and this is, here we have positive 3 and whereas here the same thing we are taken negative. That is 5 minus 3 means you must be knowing it is 2. Then 2 minus 3. The 2 is on positive side, minus 3 is a negative sign. So minus plus the difference in subtract, so that you will be getting minus 1. Then minus 1, minus 3 will be the same sign, which will contain minus 4, minus 7. Like that we can go on writing. Now in today's topic, we will give importance for this type of arithmetic progression. Now children, this I am taking, again we are writing in the reverse sense. That is minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Yes, children. This example I have told you already how we are considered this. Again, this is one example. I used to say always, because in this chapter it is possible to create lot of sums and you can learn the concept. So here what I will do is, now today's example 1, first sum. In the textbook you have 5 questions. You have to answer yourself. That 5 questions I am not doing. You have to work out yourself after understanding this sum. It means, for example, let me say now, here minus 7 is there. Then box. Box means you have to find the value of this. Again box is given. Again box is given. Let me say like this, many questions are there. Here minus 7, you must know the answer for this is minus 4, answer for this is minus 1, answer for this is 2, and here 5. See children, this type of questions you have in the textbook. So I am solving this. After understanding this, you have to solve that sums. And it is also possible to create your own. Let me change this question as, you see minus 7 is there. You must be knowing it is the first term of an AP. Second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. It means A is equal to minus 7. This is first term. Second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Fifth term is what? It is 5. Using these two conditions, you must find the values of this. Let me solve this. So the first formula is what? A is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This type of many some very tested in the previous class. So in the place of n, if you substitute 5, a5 is equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. It means again a5 is given already here. a5 is equal to 5 you can make out. So you can write it as 5, which is equal to A. A means here minus 7 we have. Plus 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 time difference. It means 4 time difference minus 7 is equal to 5. Or 4 time difference equals 5. 4 time difference is equal to 5, that we have written, and minus 7 we are shifting towards 5. The sign will get changed, you must be knowing. Minus 7 becomes plus 7. So 4D is equal to 5 plus 7 means 12. So D is equal to 12 by 4. Or yesterday I told you can cancel here only. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. If you have the capacity to learn that. So our intention was just to cancel, take the value of D as 3. Now we have here A is equal to minus 7, or the first term is given as minus 7, or you can consider it as A1 first term. Then A2, you take the previous minus 7 or the first term A, add this, that is plus 3, which is nothing but minus 7 plus 3 means minus 4, which is there, you can see here. I have told already, you know the answer in the box, but how to reach it? Now A3 means take out A2. A2 is minus 4. Again add plus 3 to that, because plus 3 is the difference to get minus 1. See here the minus 1, this is the answer. Similarly A4 is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So we are getting 2. So this is the 2 is the answer, and this 5 is there already. So how to conclude now? The conclusion is that the question given. So minus 7 you write as it is. Then in the box, second box we have minus 4. And put the box like this. But minus 4 is here only, because minus 7 is this. Minus 4 is this. Similarly, minus 1 already got. Then 2 also we got. Then lastly 5, which is given in the question. See children, this is how you can start your own question. This is the question given, and here is the answer. I use this always. If you know the answer, it's well and good. So develop the confidence among you. Now after understanding this, I am expecting you to solve the 5 textual sums. So before ending, we are going to take another different examples. Let me see how to find. Yes. Children, now we are going to do the second sum, another question, which is also taken from the above example. How the question will be? You can see here, the first term is not given, it is unknown. Second term is not, it is also unknown. And the third term is given as minus 1. Fourth term unknown. Fifth term also have to find out. And sixth term it is given 8. So anyhow, 2 terms will be given in NAP, so that you must be in a position to find out the remaining terms according to the requirement. Yes. Now I said already, this A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. You can say answer is ready in the top. For example, this answer we should get here, it is minus 7. Here the answer is minus 4. Minus 1 is there. Here 2 and here 5. That's it. Now let me, here I said already 1, 2, 3. 3 means the third term. Third term is minus 1. And 4, 5, 6. Sixth term is 8. Whenever it is given like that, see A3 and A6. A6 means, you must know it is A plus 5 times difference. Because n minus 1 means 6 minus 1, 5 times. Please learn that. You are not going to write always the formula and get it. So which is equal to, it is given already 8. Similarly A3. A3 means A plus 2 times difference. So learn like this, because 3 means 3 minus 1 is 2, which is given already. It is minus 1. Now we will solve these two equations to get the values of A and D. Then we will substitute the values. Now here we have A plus 5D is equal to 8. The second equation says A plus 2D equals minus 1. So here what I have to do is, we are subtracting the second term from the first. So learn to change the sign. It means A is here. So put it as minus E. And plus 2D is there. We change it as minus 2D. Then here minus 1 is there. We change it as plus 1. So what is the intention? You must try to understand, children. Here A and minus A gets cancelled. Now we have 5D minus 2D. 5D minus 2D means it is 3 times difference or 3D. Is equal to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 means 9. D is equal to 9 by 3 then. D is equal to 9 by 3 means 3 is 9. So we got the value of D as 3. No, that is substitute in any one of these equations here. So we have A plus 2D is equal to minus 1 or A plus 5D is equal to 8. You can substitute in any one of that to get the value of A. Yes, children, we have the equation A plus 5D is equal to 8. Let us substitute the value of D as 3 because just now we found it as A plus 5 bracket 3 is equal to 8. You must know this. 3 just now we already found the value of D as 3. We are substituting that. Now it becomes A plus 5 3 is 15 equals 8. Next A is equal to 8 actually. Be careful, here I have to change the sign, you must know that. So plus 50 if you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes minus 50. So that A is equal to 50 is greater than 8, you must be knowing, which contains negative sign. So the answer is negative. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. A means first term is minus 7. You can see, children, here this is minus 7. Now how to find next terms? Next term means that is just now we found that A or first term A1 is equal to minus 7. Now second term means what? Add the common difference to the previous term, or minus 7 plus 3, which is nothing but minus 4. The second term is minus 4 here. Similarly, this A3 means what? Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. It's already given in the sum, children. Let us proceed again. A4 is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 means it is 2. You can see here. This box, there is the number 2. Similarly, A5. A5 is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. This answer you can see here. Now let us conclude. How to conclude? The answer is the first is box, that is A. A value is minus 7. Put it in the box. Again second also unknown, minus 4. Put it in the box. Again minus 1. For this no box because it is given already in the sum. Now the fourth term is what? 2. Put it in the box like this. There is one putting commas here. Then fifth term is what? 5. So the third box is required. And last term is 8 is given. Now this is the answer, children. You can compare with the question. The first box is minus 7, second box minus 4, minus 1 is given, no box for that. Then fourth is 2, then fifth is 5, and 8 is given again. So this you must know, try to understand, children. We have created a whole sum today. Really, if you understood these two, you have to complete the 5 sums. You have to complete yourself and later on try to do your own. Now, children, we will continue to the next topic. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಒಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
How many minutes video is this?
45 minutes. 50 minutes, 1 hour will be too much in the...
ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ, 17-21 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡೋದು ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 17 ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನೇನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು 30-35 ಜನ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್.
ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೈವ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 82 ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು,
ಬೇರೆ ಅದು ರೀಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್
ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಬೇರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ
ಇರ್ಬೋದು,
ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್
ಇರಲಿ, ನಾನು
So it will be directly linked, Rakesh? Like,
yes sir.
Then 21 views.
ನನಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಕೊನೆಯ ಪಕ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 39 ಜನ ಅವರೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ 17 ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇನು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ನೋಡಿ
ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So by Saturday.
Actually, they are asking. Most of the students are asking for live classes instead of recorded classes. I think we will have live classes.
No, recorded they can view, review.
ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನೋಡೋರಿಗೆ ಓದೋರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂದೇನು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹೂವೆವರ್ ಇದೆ, ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಟಿಕನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ಅದು 25 views ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ 21 ಇತ್ತು ಬೇಡ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು
ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸರ್, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡೋದು?
We have time, no? So leisurely they will watch.
Actually, 32 views. 32 views.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡೋ 21 ಇತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆ.
How do you know that any repeated views?
That I am checking sir, how to check it.
ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನೇ 2-3 ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, ಹಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೂ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮುಗೀತು, 10 ತಿಂಗಳು ನಾನು 10 ಸರಿ 10 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಐಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಐಡಿ.
Is it Rakesh? It will take us only one view. If I see my...
If it is my account, if it is your account, it will take us only 1 view.
Okay.
Lock up the ID most.
How many times I ever log in?
That would be...
One.
It will be counted in hours. Total watch time hours is there.
Oh, okay.
Even if you watch it twice, it will show it as how many times you have watched. Not how many times you have watched, it will be showing as hours watching. But your time will be set.
Okay. Sorry.
Dear children, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, ... is 78. This was the question asked. Now 3 is there. So the first term A is 3, right? First term A has 3. Then common difference. Common difference means you can find 8 minus 3 or 13 minus 8, that is also 5. 18 minus 13, that is also 5, like that. But one is 8 minus 3. See, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then A is 78. This how to write? So it's in the question asked here. Which term of the AP is 78? Which term means whether it is 5th term or 6th term or 10th term or 15th term, like that. So that is the question asked. So n is equal to question mark. Here you can make out here. This is the first term. A is 3. Second term A2, 8. Third term A3, 13. Fourth term 18. Fifth term 6, 7, 8, like that. When you go on writing like that, somewhere you will get the number 78. So which term you are going to write it is 7? That's the question asked here. So CA1 3, A2 8, A3 13, A4 18. Like that we don't know where 78 to. It may be A5, A6, A7, A8, A8. In general, nth term is 78. That will start with An equals 78. But by writing, you must be very careful. Write down An, then immediately write down the formula A plus n minus 1 to D. Then write equals to. Write this below this. You can observe this equals how we wrote 78. Then in the place of A substitute 3, because there already you can see here also the sum. A is nothing but the first term plus n minus 1 into D. Difference is 5. That also there. Now is equal to 78. Now 3 is there. Transpose this 3 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 3. So if you are transposing this 3, so you will be getting hand only n minus 1 into 5. So n minus 1 into 5 hold as it is. Then this plus 3 will transpose becomes minus 3. Next what? So write this n minus 1 into 5 as it is equal to 78 minus 3 means 75. In this step you can cancel this 5. See children here. 5 ones are 5 and 5 15s are 75. We can cancel here in this step to avoid one step. Now n minus 1 is there equals 15 because 15 5s are 75. Next is what? Transpose minus 1 to this side, right hand side becomes plus 1. That is n is equal to 15 plus 1. So n is equal to 15 plus 1 means 16. But this is not the answer. The question is not asked you to find the value of n. N is equal to 16. How to conclude? 16th term. So please write the answer as therefore 16th term of the AP or remaining things is there in the question only. Of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, is 78. That is 16th term. We are going to reach the number 78. That is the meaning of this sum. Next I will show how to create a whole sum of this type in the next sum. Yes. Children, this is again the sum selected from the textbook. There are 2 questions of this type. In that, this sum needs explanation. I am explaining. One more please to yourself. Well, it is similar to the previous sum. That is, find the number of terms in the AP. Find the number of terms means again, how many numbers will go to make this number as minus 47. In the previous sum, 16 term or something you wrote. 16 is nothing but number of terms. It means here, as there is A is equal to 18. Now difference means what? Change the sign of this side. Minus 18 plus 15 and half. Or 15 and half minus 18 half. So common difference. B is equal to what? 15 and half minus 18. It means again this mixed fraction should be converted to improper fraction. 15 into 2 or 2 into 15. 15 into 2 is 30. Then add this one, it is 31 by 2. It is just conversion of mixed fraction to improper. Minus 18 hold as it is. Next step, write this 31 as it is minus, just to cross multiply this. 18 into 2. 18 into 2 is 36 divided by 2. You can see children 31 by 2 means 31 by 2 is here, minus 18. 18 means 2 completion. Or if you learn like this, 18 to the 36. In the next step you have 36 contain negative sign, 31 contain no sign is positive. And you have different sign. Different sign is subtract. So 36 minus 1, 5 will get by 2. See, 36 minus 31 is 5 by 2. But 36 is greater than 31, which contain negative sign. So our answer is minus 5 by 2. That is D is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now the question asked was n is equal to question mark. N is question mark in the sense how many number of terms are there to reach the number as minus 47. Now in the previous sum also we did like this, because first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, like that, minus 47 somewhere you get. You must find out that only. So write down an, then below this write down the formula. A plus n minus 1 into d equals outright. Then minus 47. This is what? Given. So let us write minus 47 again. Now, what's the value of a children? Which is given in the sum? A is nothing but the first term. Here also written, here also we have written, that is 18 plus n. Then only you have to find out. So keep as it is into 1. D. We found here minus 5 by 2. Be careful about sign, children. Since it is minus 5, better to put it in the brackets neatly like this. Then equals minus 47. Now what? Transpose this 18 to the right hand side. So you should be knowing the sign changes. The sign changes means 18 becomes minus 18. That is n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Say plus 18, if you transpose this side, it becomes minus 18. Got it? Now next step again, hold this n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 as it is. Because you have to operate here. What is the sign, children? This is minus. Again this is what? Minus. So minus minus same sign. Same sign means you have to add. So if you add 47 and 18, you will be getting 65. You must know that 47 is greater than 18. 47 contains negative sign. So our answer is also negative. Next step. So in this step I have told already, this minus also can be cancelled, and in the table of 5 also can cancel this. Since it is a fraction, we will avoid that and continue. Now hold this n minus 1 as it is. N minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into. See, this minus 5 by 2 is there, no? If you transpose this side, it becomes minus 2 as it is. 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. Learn this numbers. Because you see, by transposing this, we are going to minus 5 by 2 becomes minus 2 by 5. Sign will be as it is. Be careful. Sign will not change, because this fully is one complete expression. Now the next step, that is see, in the next step this becomes n minus 1 is equal to, say, minus into minus plus. So you can cancel with this 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. These are 13 by 65. So minus into minus plus. 13 into 2 is 26. it is positive 26. Now shift this minus 1 to this side, becomes n is equal to 26, minus 1 is written right hand side, becomes plus 1. So n is 26 plus 1 means 27. The question asked here is what? Find the number of terms. So answer is what? Therefore, the number of terms is 27. Write it like this and underline. Answer is over. Yes, children, now we are going to learn how to create or how to make many sums from one AP. That is, here is an example again. We have selected our one. I started with 5. So I have taken difference as minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. So 2 minus 3 means you must know that 2 minus 3. Because difference in sub 3 minus 1 only. But 3 is greater than 2. Which contains negative sign. So negative 1 will come. Then minus 1, minus 3 means both are same sign. Same sign means you have to add. That is 1 plus 3 becomes 4. Again 3 is greater than 1 which contains negative sign. So negative 4 will come. Similarly this minus 7. Like that we will be getting the terms. Now here what you will do? So first term is A, second term is 2, third term is minus 1, fourth term is minus 4, fifth term minus 1. Regular you want, there is no end. You can go on writing like that. Now let me find out few terms. It means, let me find A49. A49 means you must know it is 49th term. The short form is what? A plus 48 times difference. A is 5 plus 48 times difference. Difference means I told already it is minus 3. Be careful children, negative 3. So if we continue this, we will be getting 5 plus into minus minus 48 into 3. 3 is the 24. 2 carry 12 plus of 14. It is minus 144 means minus 139 in the beginning. So it means A49 is minus 139. So let me see if you want A20, 20th term. Means A plus 19 time difference. Again A means 5 plus 19 time difference means minus 3, which is equal to 5 plus into minus minus 19 into 3, it is 57. Or can multiply 5, 3 into 27, 2 carry, equals to 5. So it is again what? It is negative 52. Or if you want A100 APC. A100 means what? Again A plus 99 time difference is equal to A means 5 plus 99 times difference is minus 3, which is equal to 5 minus. See 99 into 3 you have to multiply 3 9 is 27, 2 carry is 29. So which is minus 297 plus 5 means you will be getting minus 290. So here children there are 3 questions now from the same. Now what is the question here? That is 6a. 6a is what? You can frame the question as find the number of terms in AP 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, dot, 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 etc. till minus 52. That is one question. Your answer is 20. You should get the answer as 20. That is, find see children, these are the 3 questions today we discussed. That is, all these answers were written already in the box. If you know the answer, since it's your question, you will be developing confidence among that. Imagine that in the classroom you have 38 students. 38 students created 38 questions means you can only make one CBSE book. It's just a question of 5 to 10 minutes. Now, 6 ABC I have written here. Why you wrote 6 ABC means 6th question is here. So this is how you must, I have taught you already how to create an AP of your own choice. Then using this I have found some terms here. So A49 means 40 is the 49th term of this AP. We got the answer minus 139. That also I taught you. There is one question. That is, find the 49th term of the AP of this. One question. Then find the 20th term. This is the question answer. Find the 100th term. This is the answer. Again from this answers what we again sub question variety. For example, here 6A. Which term of the AP 5, 2, minus 1, see this is here only. Can make out is minus 52. So minus 52 just now found it here. If you come back like this, it is 20th term. So the answer is 20. But this is the question. Writing one line question, you must proceed for answer. How you are going to reach the 20? Similarly, second one, find the number of terms of AP 5, 2, minus 1, etc. minus 139. Again, minus 139 is here. The answer is 49. Similarly, you can find another question for this also. Repeatedly I am telling, this is not something like question and answer. You must create your own lot of things and get the answers. So ultimately, this one, some box I kept here. Fill in the blanks if it is in AP. So this also taken from this one. See, first box answer is 5. Second one 2 is given already. Third one box answer is this is minus 1. Fourth one box answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is given. Today we discussed first this type of sum and these two also over. And I think children are understood. Okay, please work out on that. In the next class, we'll continue and see the next concept. Thank you, children.